Hello, I'm Manuel, and today I'm going to show you how I did my scratch. First I went and got the starfish and in the people, and then I went and to animals. I clicked starfish that there. I clicked it and then I made it smaller, and then I got the snake, got it smaller to 35. Then I got the snake and I put when clicked, then wait 3 seconds and say yes. But I put when clicked in events, then I put wait 3 seconds in control. I ticked one, and then I went to looks and I put yes. I rubbed hello and I put yes. Then I went to the starfish and I put when clicked, that was in events. Then I put wait 1 second in the control. And then I put the purple one and I put hello, I am Soggy, can you be my friend? And say come to my castle. And then here's where I switch it to the castle. First you have to put it in the beach so it can work. You put beach. Once you click the beach, then you can put it. You can do it. Hello, I'm Soggy. Can you be my friend? Yes, Soggy.